Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to change TikTok region using a VPN. So the steps to change TikTok region using a VPN are as follows. Firstly, of course, you will have to choose a reliable VPN service that you will use to actually perform this operation. So for example, popular VPN services like NordVPN, ExpressVPN and CyberGhost have multiple servers across different countries. Then after that, install the application itself, sign in and connect to the actual server, whatever server you have closest to your actual location. That will help a lot. After that, the optional step is going to be clearing TikTok cache and data. So on Android, you need to go to the settings, apps, find TikTok in the list, go to storage, and then clear cache and clear data. And then on iOS, uninstall TikTok and reinstall it after setting up the VPN. Clearing cache and data or reinstalling helps to ensure that TikTok loads fresh data from your new VPN location. After that, open TikTok while being connected to the VPN server that you've chosen. The app should now detect the new region based on the VPN server's location. And now basically you can browse the TikTok in the new region. And the new content will be tailored to the region of your VPN server. Keep the VPN active to continue viewing content from that region. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial. Hopefully this helps. Like the video and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.